Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you how to repair the Toshiba hard drive bad sectors. Please note this video is for hard drive refurbishing, not for data recovery, okay? Please note that if you have important data in the drive, please don't use this video method. Now get the hard drive ID and enter the DFL Toshiba firmware repair software, and we can check the COM mode here. Okay, Toshiba can work in both ATM mode and COM mode as well. Model list. Please note many important firmware modules are stored in the PCB for Toshiba hard drives. And we just check one function, scan and add to defects. And this function is very important to refurbish hard drive and repair the bad sectors. Okay, just use to repair bad sectors, not for data recovery. Please don't use this one for data recovery purpose. Okay, click scan to add the defect settings. Users can record the error, ABRD error. These are the errors when users are trying to scan the pension drive, and users can get these errors for the sectors. And here users can add these bad sectors to glist, or users can add these bad sectors to playlist. Playlist can contain many more defects than the glist. If just for few bad sectors with the pension drive, we just select glist. If there are more bad sectors, and we can scan the defects and add to playlist. Click OK, and then the software will start to scan. Now we can see that these defects are found. These are the bad sectors. And then the software will add these bad sectors to the glist or playlist automatically. So this one is very helpful. Please note again, it's not for data recovery, just to repair bad sectors. Thank you for watching the video.